the? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am actually out at the Walmart right now. We've got like a shit ton of cars and we're going down to UC3, so we're gonna be leaving here soon. We're just waiting on a couple stragglers. It should be a good time. Hopefully hang out with you guys and answer some questions and stuff. Yeah, let's go kind of just like walk down the line. I think you guys remember last time this was JJ's WRX, though this time you put on the new wheels. Billy, what's up, dude?
What's up?
How you feeling? Whoa, you're like super
tired.
dark. Face this way.
Because I'm black.
Yeah, for sure, dude. What's up? What's up, dude? What's going on? What's up?
I'm so happy right now.
Yo, yeah, I waxed the car yesterday. I got some shit on it. Got to get that off. No worries. Yo! What the fuck? Jesus! Look at this thing, dude. This thing's sick.
Oh.
Hell yeah. I'm Connor.
Silas.
I think I've met you before. I've Yes. Yeah, I definitely remember you. Yeah. Look at this blast pipe right now, dude. This man's. Holy shit, man. Psyched for UC3?
Yes.
All right.
Makes it.
Hell yeah, dude. You'll be good. All right, so right now we're just waiting on Nick to get here and then we're gonna dip, but everyone's pretty rowdy and it's like 7:30 in the morning, so it should be a good time. Waiting on Nick and then we'll head out. Made it down to UC3. I don't know if you can see all the cars over there. There's a massive line that we're in right now. I guess just patiently waiting to get inside. I can't wait to park this thing, get it all nice looking, and go see what the cars are like. Hopefully see some of you guys. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once we're parked and post it up. I spy Nick's F30. There's Billy's Audi too. It's pretty sick. Yo, fitment, boy. Just got the car parked and I got Connor next to me. Yo, check out his new wheels. Tell us about these wheels, dude.
I got them like 6 months ago. They're still really dirty.
Wait, you did?
Yeah, I got them in September.
Oh, shit.
However long ago that is. They're 20 inches, 245/30 R20s. Kind of fucked up a little bit probably around the bolts, but
sick. Running on rubber bands.
I know.
Dude.
They're so smooth though.
Look what I just found, a fucking 3rd gen, dude. Oh, no way. Yo. This dude's a savage. It's automatic too. Dude. What do you guys think? Should I do the spoiler and the kind of like blast pipes going out? FRS, dude. The Lambo doors.
This afternoon, I want to give a couple shout outs to some of our vendors. We got Mr. Taco.
Funny story, my girlfriend was driving the other day and she goes, I just saw a right-hand drive old car, a dropped V-dub truck, and the old Audi. I forget what model that is. Divine's Soar. Wow, man.
It's in shambles.
No, but like
Interior's about the only cool part of it right now. So
dude,
it's
I've seen it in videos.
progress.
All the new mats too.
It's a work in progress.
Oh my gosh. Look at these back seats matching the
If you
front.
want to flip the switch that's down to the bottom left under the steering wheel, it's on the console right
This
there.
one?
Yep.
Yeah, I already knew where to look.
There you go.
Yeah, buddy. I appreciate you showing me around.
Yeah, no problem.
And
dude.
hopefully, you know, we can shoot sometime or something.
Yeah.
We'll make.
Yeah.
I'll see you at shows. We'll see. All right, man.
Sure.
Take it easy, man.
man.
The last look, so dope. That was pretty sick because Divine I've been following since before he got the Soarer, back in the Del Sol days, I think, and the Soarer has been coming a long ways. So just cool to meet him and like get some feedback. And I asked him about like painting the interior and kind of like pro tips and what paint to use, because the Prelude definitely needs a color change. So we'll see where that goes, but definitely cool to meet you, man. I'll put a link down below to his channel, so go check it out. Corey, you want to tell me about this nice little vehicle you have here?
This nice
Vehicle, this Honda. She's pretty thick.
Yeah, just a little bit.
What kind of wheels are these?
Valeno wheels.
Valeno. I've never heard of that.
Neither did I until I got them.
Dude, they're gnarly. Did they come factory with the lips like that?
They're custom. I got them custom deep dish.
It's wild, bro. Check out this livery.
Fill up that gap.
Just to give you guys a reference, like just a reference point, how fucking wide this thing is. Damn. Maybe like 2 months ago, I actually met up with my buddy Mo and gave him the H&R Sport Spring, so if you guys remember that, but he actually got them installed on the 335, which 340, my bad, Bala, my bad. I think the drop looks really good. You know what's crazy too? He says that he's running an 8.5 squared setup, and I guess from that angle it kind of looks like it, but it looks staggered. Like, you look staggered.
A little bit, I don't know. I heard 18.5, it's squared. My offset's 22, but it looks way wider in the back than it does in the front.
What have you done to the engine?
So I have an FTP Motorsports charge pipe right up here. I have a full JB4 Burger Motorsports tuning, full inside of it. I have a BMS air intake, VRSF 4.5 inch downpipe all the way down there.
Dude, it's massive.
All the way
Guys,
back.
I can't explain how massive this downpipe is.
I have a full Stage 2 Plus custom maps, custom tuned by Kevin Baldy and Gold
Shout
Outways
out.
down in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Shout out Kevin Baldy. And I'm pushing with the 85, I pushed right under 550 to the wheels.
Dude.
Daily drive it at like 480 on map 3.
Daily drives it too. That is like one thing that I
Daily
respect
drive.
a lot, is that now he's lowered and Stage 2, and he daily drives it.
Hell yeah.
So respectable.
Need the power.
So respectable.
The pops are lovely.
Yeah.
Love them.
Taking a break now. It is like crazy hot out. It's supposed to rain today and it's actually like beautiful. It's really nice out, but it's just really damn hot. So just tried to do a boot mode install on my buddy Nick's F30, but his boost pipe actually is a little loose on the, not the turbo side, the other side. So right now we're trying to figure out how we can reclamp it so it's nice and tight. That way we're not tuning a car that's gonna go into limp mode and, you know, messing things up. So hopefully we can get it, but right now I'm just cooling off because it is so damn hot. Sick show though, sick show. Figured out the boost pipe leak, and it was just the clamp wasn't seating on correctly. We didn't have the boost pipe in all the way, so you really gotta turn it and finagle it to get it in there. But now we're gonna go ahead and take this F30 Stage 2, so that should be sick. Nick downloaded boot mode, so we're gonna go 91 octane Stage 2, and hopefully maybe a burble map. I'm not sure if he has the settings set already, but we can do that pretty quick, so let's get into tuning. All right, you guys probably can't see shit, but it says OBD agent connection is up to the vehicle, so we should be pretty much ready to rock here. Yeah, seatbelt on. OBD is connected, so now you're gonna hop over to my maps, and this is the stock tune and this is the tune we're tuning. Right. So click that, and do you want to configure the burble before we tune, or do you want to leave it?
What do you think?
No burble. I mean,
let's fucking burble
it.
It's send it.
Oh, can burble it? All right, we'll send it. So configure, we'll go to exhaust burble settings, and we're gonna go to custom. This probably isn't picking up anything. Duration, what kind of settings do you want? Like, do you want burble all the time, or do you want burble for like a couple seconds?
I want burble for like a couple seconds. I don't want constant.
So duration, we'll do like, I have it set to 3 seconds right now. What do you want, like 2 or?
Let's do like 2.5.
2.5. 2.5 aggression, what do you want that? Mine's all the way up for whatever it matters.
Let's leave it there. Let's just see.
Minimum speed, that's usually where you want to leave it. This, I mean, if you don't really need burble going over 100 miles an hour, do you?
No.
Okay. Minimum
ridiculous.
RPM. Do you want burble like when you're coming to a stop? Like,
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Do that.
We can drop that down. And then this, again, you don't really need burble above 6,000.
Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't know you could adjust it for RPM.
Oh yeah, dude, it's sick. So, cold start, do you want to leave that on or off?
Let's turn that on.
Now we'll just go down here to flash.
I gotta turn this guy on.
Yep, so just once.
Yep.
Seatbelt on. Press here to flash now. Warning, battery chargers highly recommended. We're good. Flash. All right. So the first time it takes a little bit longer than the second and third and so on and so forth, because the first time it has to unlock the ECU, so it takes a little bit longer. Not substantial, but
there we go.
You're gonna get a ton of warning lights. It's gonna freak you out. Don't worry, it's just part of tuning. 24%, nothing crazy, everything's going normal. Oh, box is here. 32%. You know the deal, just when it prompts us, we'll turn the engine off for 20 seconds, turn it back on. Success. All right. Start her up, man. All right.
Cold start.
So no cold start, yeah, that's the initial difference.
No check engine light.
No check engine light, that's good. No codes. Run over to your control. I'm just checking right now for any errors. Okay, cool, all systems okay. All right, next stage 2 burble map. All right, give her a rip. Okay. Show Nick what's good here. Short Sport Plus.
Yes.
It's sick. So stage 2 was a success. He's probably gonna end up taking the muffler off because he wants it to be a little bit louder, but that was dope. Another F30 elevated stage 2 boot mode. Go check it out. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Yo, 1, 2, and 3, bro.
Got the whole squad here.
Sick. Yo, this looks so gnarly. Holy shit, dude. Added one more. Head to the website if you want one. Scoop that up. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, baby.
Yo.
What up?
How's boot mod, bro?
It's good. Hey. Better than good.
This is sick, dude. Boot mode 328. Boot mode 328. Fox's new, well, Fox's dad's new M4. Sick. So sick. All right, back home. That was a nice day. That was fun. The show was really good. I saw a bunch of really cool cars. Got to meet Divine, which that was sick. I watched a ton of his videos, and just to see him and the Soarer in person was so dope for me. But anyways, it was cool seeing you guys too. You know, I saw a few of you guys out there that you know, kind of just went over your builds, which was really cool. Got to tune in F30 to stage 2, which was dope. Nick, I hope you enjoy it. Boot mode is a lot of fun. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you next time. And if you guys have any ideas for videos that you want to see more of, like I was doing more of that kind of, I guess it was more just like a sitting down and talking about a topic, put it down in the comments and let me know what you guys think. So cool. Yeah, I'm signing off. See you later. Peace.